So those of you, my old subscribers, you already know that I have a RoyalEnfield. And so what has happened is, the aftermarket exhaust that I have, this has got a little bit of rust. And this is my mistake. It had some kind of stain. So I just rubbed it off and the paint went off. So that's why we have some little bit of rust here, as you can see. So I'm going to fix this issue. So I'll show you how you can fix it. Let's take her for a wash and we'll see how much of the rust can be removed there with some diesel wash or something. So here we are at the wash, and as you can see, there's a rust that is clearly visible. So what I've clearly instructed to use the diesel wash to wash the entire bike. We can see that the work there is done really good. This is done in BTM, by the way. The owner was really good, and yes, we did a very good wash. So I guess 30% of the rust is gone, but a little bit of stain is still there, as you can see. So what I'm using now is a 3M paint for silencer coating, and then I have the regular foil and also a regular dishwasher. So then what we do is we apply a little bit of dishwasher on the portion where the rust is present. And after which we will use the scrub, the foil that we have, to rub it properly till we even it out. So the paint and the rust, the sharp edges has to go and it has to be even. So that is what I'm going to show you in the clip as well. So if you see there, clean it really well. So you see that particles coming out. So that is how you should do. Yeah, so it is getting even now. So just do as much as possible till it gets even. So we will have a clear coat later once there is no sharp edges. So if you see, you can also apply water and have it. You can see how much of the rust has gone. See, if it is far better than the early clip that I was showing. So I'm just using a tissue to have that cleaned, and after which we will start using the paint. So the silencer coating that I have, that also helps to cool down the area where I've painted it. So it is also helping in that way to keep the silencer cool and also rust free. So now as you can see, it is getting even. So I'm going to cover the extra space so that the paint doesn't hit the other area when you're painting. Alright, so let's start the paint process now. So this is the silencer coat I'm going to use. This is matte black, so we're going to use this. So yes, an easy coat, and here we go. So after painting the entire silencer, it looks brand new, guys, trust me. So this is the best DIY hack to, you can do it yourself at home, and you don't have to worry about taking it to the paint shop and all of that. It works like magic. So this is the video, guys. If you like my video, like, share, subscribe. And this is a small update on my Bullet. People are asking about the classic 350. What happened? Where is it? So yes, this is the update, guys. And the aftermarket exhaust is still good. It works like gem. So there's no issue at all. Thank you for watching again. You have a great and a happy new year. Enjoy yourself. Bye-bye.